Hello again. So if you guys were on my live previously, I just finished doing the 1,000 jump rope challenge. Yes, and it was quite interesting this time because, as I said, it was challenging and I wasn't like in so much mood to do the challenge today because I did leg workout, and trust me, when I do leg workout at the gym, nothing normal about it. Yeah, so that was good. Yeah, so I'm gonna make, I said, let me show you guys how I make my simple protein shake. This is the last meal I'm gonna have for the evening, so I'm gonna get my ingredients together and show you all. Yes, so join in on the live, and if you were not able to make it on the live, still watch it, leave a comment. You can let us know how you make your shake. But everybody have them own ways of doing how they do things. So I'm just gonna show you how I do make my protein shake. So I'm gonna get the ingredients, and I have NutriBullet. I don't use a blender, I use a NutriBullet. Let me go for it. So I'm gonna put everything inside of the NutriBullet. I need to fix this properly. All right, how is it? What's up? All right. Yes. Yes. So I'm gonna get the ingredients them. So we have the container. That's the first one to begin with. Sea moss. Bought sea moss. Put them to soak for about like 2 or 3 hours, and then blend them. So after I blend it, I'll soon show you the texture of what it looks like. So sea moss. Okay, and banana. This is a container. When you live healthy lifestyle, you always have to have containers. So I just recycle them. So for banana, I buy them and I break them. I'm gonna use half, not one entire banana because it can be funny also. So I'm gonna use half. So I'm going for the rest of the ingredients. Yes, so sure, let me know how you make yours. Nice and filling. So I put a little bit of peanut butter in there. Not much peanut butter, just a little bit. And I use the Grace food drink. Either I buy protein powder or vegan powder, any kind of powder, but this is what I have now. And with sesame seed, chia seed, very good. Yes, and flaxseed. Trust me, let me hear something full belly. Oh, another important ingredient. Let me go get the oats. Yeah, and or oatsy. Measuring. It's always good to measure how much you use, because at the same time you don't want to use too much of any ingredients. Remember, even though these things are healthy, too much of anything, any one thing, it will just be, that's not how you want it. So my half a banana, yeah, and whoops, yeah, for flaxseed, I think I normally use like a tablespoon of flaxseed. Yeah, tablespoon of flaxseed. Chia seed, another tablespoon. Whoops! What if I show me? Just finish the workout. Feel like I'm straightening up so much. Yes, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining the live. I'm here showing how I make my protein shake. Yeah, after workout. And as I was saying, this is my last meal for the day. I just want something nice and filling. Yeah. Tablespoon this, yeah, tablespoon. Always, it's good to measure your ingredients. Because if you don't, then you'll put too much. And as much as how healthy food, you know, food is healthy. Too much of any one thing not good for you. So, yeah. Who you are strong? Who me are strong up for? These are regular. Them here no regular food. Them here. You know how I work out today. I did some really. I tell you the quad workout. Them also hack squat. And you go deep. Let me tell you, say deep down in a squat. You know, no normal. Yes, so you see a lot of them deep down in a squat. If you go and build glutes. Yeah, I need to nourish. Remember, say protein and the muscle. If I will try to build the glute muscles up. So this look like 3 tablespoons of the Grace food drink. Oh, no oats not going there yet. You know, I'm not so sure if I'm gonna put in the peanut butter in it. Even though I take it out, it should be 1/4 cup of oats. No, I don't know about the 1/2 cup, you know. No, I think they said normally like half, but I think I'm gonna use a little bit more than the. That's why you're so strong. Oh, that's why I'm so strong. Well, you know what? I'm gonna put in quarter. Yeah, 1/4 cup of oats. Yes. Yeah, mama, we finish this nice and filling. And then the sea moss now. Yuppie. You know, so for the sea moss, I just take up so far a tablespoon most of the time. But you strong too, you know. Yes, JT Fitness, you're strong too. Whoop. Oh, and since I start using the sea moss, I don't think I have been using the peanut butter. Cause what I do most of the time is to for the peanut butter, I put it with a toasting bread. I put peanut butter on it. Then that one is kind of filling. Now for good flavor. Remember, anytime we make anything, we want some nice, good flavor. So, that is where the cinnamon powder, can you see? Yeah, the cinnamon powder, just, is that tap a little? Yeah. I hope that was a little for you. And vanilla, you know, give anything lovely taste with the cinnamon powder. Yuppie. Yeah, let me close up now. I won't be using the peanut butter today. Yeah, won't be using the peanut butter. I think when I use the sea moss and all of that, not necessarily using the peanut butter. So I'm going to put some water inside this mixture now. And yeah, I just put water up to where it needs to stop. Probably about like this. Yeah, I think this will do. Yeah, I think this will do. And it's nice and filling, quite filling. Yup. Yes. For anybody who is on the live, let me know how you make your protein shake. And if you're not on the live and watching it, yeah man, you can leave a comment. How do you make your protein shake? Yeah, and at what point do you normally have it? Before workout, after workout? Do you use it as a meal replacement? Because you know that the protein shake can be used as a meal replacement. So what we have in this, chia seed. This look like we want a little bit more water. So chia seed, flaxseed, sesame seed, 1/4 cup of oats, 3 tablespoons of the Grace food drink, then half a banana, and you know cinnamon and vanilla for taste, and a tablespoon of sea moss. Yes, so it's gonna be noisy for a couple of seconds here. Yeah, it will be. it one more time. Let me see if it's too thick. Yeah, this is a good consistency. If I don't need it too runny, you don't need it too thick. Well, for me, I don't need it too runny and I don't need it too thick. I just want it right in between. And thank you very much for watching, being on the live with Sandy. Yes, Get Fit with Sunshine Sandy. Yeah, showing you. Yes. It's nice. Oh my God. Oops. Yes. So let me pour it out. Well, if me can do that, because touch pour out something there. You have one because touch pour out version, you know. If anybody can help me with that skill. All right. Oops. Yeah, it's not too thick. This is a good consistency for me. Yeah. Yeah. And I have some big straw. I used to drink it with some small straw. Hold on, let me show you the straws them that I know have my shake with. These big one. Yeah. I went at a shake place and buy shake, and I got this big one. It's the little one them. It's a struggle. It's a struggle for the what you call it now? The mixture to come up through them. It's like a struggle. So this big one, trust me, I am always satisfied. Always satisfied when I make my shake. I really love it. So remember to share. Oh guys, remember, follow me on YouTube. Get Fit with Sunshine Sandy. I have fitness content, healthy lifestyle content, and a lot of outdoor adventure. Yes, that I post. Yeah, and you can share. I would appreciate if you share with your friends. And if you're watching the video, please watch them to the end. Yes. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Yes, and as I said again, share with a friend. But things are going for my shake. I didn't put any peanut butter in there. Sometime I would, but I didn't this time. Yeah, because peanut butter give it a really nice flavor, you know. But with the sea moss and everything, yes, and you know, girl, I watch her little pounds them. Yeah. Oh no, I've said that I put the if I'm feeling peckish, I toast a slice of bread and put a little bit of peanut butter on it. So probably I might feel peckish. Because even though we try to be, say this is the last meal, not all the time. Not all the time we are that disciplined. And sometimes because we're not that disciplined, then you don't overindulge. So you leave a little bit of something for the indisciplined side without having too much. Yeah. So rewatch this. Let me know what was your thoughts. Yeah, this is my first time. See, making a shake on live or doing a live making a shake. Yeah. Leave a comment. Yeah. Enjoy. Cheers. Cheers.